Hi, this is Laura Turner, and today I'm going to talk to you about making an outline. An outline is probably one of the most important things for you to do when you're writing a story or a paper. It's going to help ground you and make sure that you don't get off track. There's really no one way to make an outline. In fact, sometimes whenever I'm writing, I just sort of write notes and I put them under bold headings, stuff like that. But I'm sure we've all seen the format that I have today, which is sort of a Roman numeral outline. So if you put Roman numeral 1 for your introduction, and then you put your little ABCs as secondary points under those numbers, you're going to find that you're actually be able to organize your paragraphs by Roman numerals. And so if you just go ahead and do that for your intro and your body, and then you can actually also put letters under the letters that you provided for even tertiary details about the subheadings in your paragraph, so that you can get even more specific about what you're going to be writing about. And I find it sometimes hampering to work from an outline, so that's why I sort of have a free-flowing form to what I do with it. But for some people, this can be a very useful tool in trying to ground you in what you have to say in your paper, and you'll get a much better result.